Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I'm the holistic health coach. You know, life is a lot like the weather. Some days are bright and sunny, and other days, thunder, chaos, things falling apart. And what do? We panic, we stress, we try to control the storm. But have you ever seen someone trying to stop the rain by yelling at the clouds? Sounds ridiculous, right? But that's exactly what we do when we try to fight against life's hukum. Now, what if I told you instead of resisting, we could learn to dance in the rain? That's what exactly today's Hukamnama from Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar, beautiful words by Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji at tongue 723 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji teaches us. Today's Hukamnama is a master key to peace, power, and possibility. तुझ बिन दूजा ना ही कोई, there's no other than you, Lord. तुझ बिन दूजा ना ही कोई, there's no other than you, Lord. तू करता करे सो होय. You are the creator. Whatever you do, that alone happens. Guru Sahib is telling us, stop believing that you are the one who's running the show. The moment we surrender this illusion of control, we move from stress to power, from fear to peace. Now, why did Guru Sahib say this centuries ago? Because we as human beings live in resistance. We think we control outcomes, but how much really is in our hands? We plan, we strategize, and worry. Yet life unfolds as it wants. Guru Sahib isn't saying that sit idle and do nothing. He's saying surrender the illusion of control and take action from the place of trust, not fear. There was this young girl flying for her dream job interview in Canada. She had everything planned, her tickets, her documents, even what she has to say in the interview. But then something happened and she missed her flight. She panicked, cried, "Why, Guru, why me?" But then instead of further breaking down, she remembered, "Tu karta kare so hoy." If it happened, it must have a reason. She let go of stress and booked another flight, and guess what? On that flight, she met someone, a CEO of a company, who, after a deep conversation with her, offered her a better job. That job, the one that aligned more with her passion. Now, had she resisted, cried, and stayed stuck in fear, she might have never seen this opportunity. This is living hukum. This is flow. Ever heard of flow state? Athletes, artists, and innovators experience it, where everything just clicks. They are so deeply engaged in the present moment that they don't have a space to overthink. They trust the process. This is what Guru Sahib is teaching us. When you let go of stress and fear, your mind synchronizes with hukum. Your actions become sharper and results come with ease. Now let's implement this hukumnama in our day-to-day life so that we can progress, we are in peace, we are happy, we are fulfilled. So the three P's: peace, power, and possibility. Peace. Stop resisting, start flowing. The next time something unexpected happens, instead of fighting it, ask, what is this trying to teach me? How can I move with it instead of against it? Power. Take bold actions without fear. Fear of judgment, fear of failure, drop it. If you truly believe that the Creator is the doer, why hesitate? Whether it's applying the job, starting a business, or learning a new skill, take the step and trust Hukum. Possibility. Every morning say, I am supported, I am taken care of. I will act with faith, not fear. I repeat, I am supported, I am taken care of. I will act with faith, not fear. Watch how your decision starts shifting. Now, let me ask you here, what is one area of your life where you are holding on too tight, where fear is driving your decisions? Drop it today. Take inspired action, but let go of the stress. Align with Hukum and watch the magic unfold. Now here's a fun challenge for you. For next 24 hours, whenever something doesn't go your way, instead of stressing, just say tu karta kare so hoye. Tu karta kare so hoye, and see what happens. So implement this beautiful Hukamnama by Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji, and then you share your experiences with me. Take care, be balanced, be happy. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.